Buenos días, enero 17, no, enero 20, a las 11:17 de la mañana. Estoy grabando porque voy a hacer una llamada aquí a estos jóvenes del New Mexico Attorney General. Vamos a hacer una llamada porque vamos a hacer un reporte en relación a un fraude que estamos siendo víctimas por parte de las autoridades aquí de la Corte de Distrito, de la Corte de Belén y de la Corte Magistral de aquí de Los Lunas. Encontré este número que dice Investigations Complaint. The Special Investigations Division is the office of the Attorney General utilizes expert special agents to major criminal investigations across the state. The division conducts investigations as directed by the Attorney General, including violent crimes such as child abuse, homicide, and sexual assault. Special Investigations also looks into government corruption, and fraud and economic and financial crimes, often working in cooperation with the federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies. If you suspect government corruption or fraud, call this number, area code 505-717-3500. To file a report with the Special Investigation Unit, please visit our electronic complaint submission, or abbreviated as ECS website. Vamos a ver. Five oh five 717 3500. And then we're gonna put it on speaker.
You have reached the State of New Mexico Office of the Attorney General, Héctor Balderas. You can also visit our website at www.nmag.gov to learn more. Para Español, marque 9 ahora. For general information about the Attorney General's mailing address, office location, and phone numbers, please press 1. If you are facing a home foreclosure problem, please press 2. If you are calling to report Medicaid fraud, please press 3. If you need to register a charitable organization or have a complaint about the operation of a charity, please press 4. To report a fraud or scam, or if you have a complaint against the business, please press 5. If your problem has not been mentioned in the
We pressed 5.
Good morning, Attorney General's office.
Yeah, good morning. May I please talk to someone in regard to making a complaint in regard to corruption and fraud?
What's fraud, sir? You've got to be more specific.
Okay, well, if you want, I can enter onto the subject. I just want to be knowing that I'm talking to the right official, if you will, and I don't intend...
Well, you're not. You need to tell me what's going on so I can direct you in the right location. So what exactly is going on?
I was kidnapped for 102 hours by the Belén police.
You were kidnapped by the Belen police.
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you want our office to do?
I want to file a complaint on that regard, and I want to do a verbal statement.
Okay, it wouldn't be anything we handle. We don't deal with law enforcement. You're gonna have to hire an attorney.
I was told that, but I don't need to hire an attorney if I'm operating under common law, on the law of the republic. I'm a special master.
I understand that, sir, but we don't represent individuals, so it wouldn't be anything our office handles.
No, I don't want you to represent me, ma'am. I really don't expect it to call and say I am looking for representation. I want to make a fraud and corruption report in regard to these people. These
Well,
people.
you can do that in writing and get it to us, but you have to put it in writing.
Well, I wanted to know that if I needed to do it on writing, and then I
Yes.
will do it on writing. And then let me tell you, I already submitted a copy of this complaint. I was just calling to see if I could talk to someone to see what's the status of it and what is being done about it.
You already submitted a copy to our office?
Yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. I filed a complaint in writing, and
When did you file the complaint?
about a month ago.
And you put it in writing in our office?
Yes, ma'am. I received a letter from Héctor Balderas telling me
No,
that this.
you did not. I will tell you that right now. You did not receive a letter from him.
I got it here in front of me, ma'am. I got it in front of me. I received a letter from Héctor Balderas, and I can give you the date.
What is the letter? Who was it signed by?
Please stand by for a minute. I have to look for it here. I have it in my documents, and I wouldn't be calling you over the phone to tell you that I do have something that I don't have.
Oh, let me know who was signed by.
Okay, just please stand by. Please stay with me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, let me tell you, unless somebody else is sending me letters with your letterhead, and then of course we can take it from there, because this is. While I look for this letter, I would like to inform you that these people are not allowing me to file in my own defense. I took some papers to the Belen court.
What is your name, sir?
They got it.
What is your name, sir?
You're not asking for my name. You're implying that what is my name? You are incorrect,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is your name so I can look up your case?
What is not my name. I want to make a parenthesis. My given name. Okay, I got the letter here. It was sent to me on December 17, 2019, and it says, "Sincerely, Advocacy and Intervention Division."
Who signed it?
I don't see a signature, ma'am. What do you mean by when?
What? Who signed it? There should be a name on the bottom of that on who signed it.
I don't see a name. It says Advocacy and Intervention Division.
And nobody signed it. There's no name on there.
I don't see a name, ma'am. I don't see a given name of anybody signing this document. Are you implying?
Okay. What is your first name?
My first name is Jay.
Is what?
Jay.
Your first name is J. J-A-Y.
No, Jay is like just the letter J.
No, I need to know your name, sir, in order for me to look up the claim.
That is my name, ma'am. That's how it appears on my birth certificate. Appears as J dot.
Just J. The letter J.
Just the letter J, ma'am. And then you're gonna continue, and you're gonna write in proper case. You're gonna write G-A-E-S-U-S.
I'm sorry?
Jesus. In proper case, okay, not all capitals. On proper case is one
So
capital.
your name is Jesus. Why would
No.
you tell me your name is J?
You asked me for my first name. My first name is
No, I
Jay.
asked you for your first name. Your first name is Jesus.
I have two names, ma'am. I'm giving you my middle name. I just told you that my first name is Jay.
Your first name is Jesus.
No, that's my second name.
Okay.
Okay.
You put in for a complaint against Valencia County Magistrate Court.
Yes, ma'am. I did put in. I want to know what's the status on it. I went over there.
Okay, they sent you a letter that gave you contact information to the Judicial Standards Commission. You were sent contact information. That's where you need to contact.
No,
So
they
in
said.
that letter you received, it was given to you contact information.
It says, thank you for contacting the Office of the New Mexico General, Héctor Balderas. Your concern has been delivered to the Advocacy and Intervention Division.
I recommend that you contact the Judicial Standards Commission, which is the office of the appropriate jurisdiction over the issues that concern you. And they sent you the address.
Yes, I have that part here on the letter.
Okay,
I
then
am-
that is who you need to contact.
I am calling on regard to some fraud. Do you guys take reports on fraud?
We don't take them over the phone.
I write it down. I put it on writing, ma'am, and I submitted it to your office.
That,
You took it.
sir, and you were given contact information on what you needed to do.
Well, it says that it's been delivered to the Intervention Division.
And you were given contact information on what you need to do.
Yeah, you
So
told me
follow
that.
that
Yeah.
letter on what you need to do.
Well, I know you told me that 3 times. Okay, I got
Okay,
that
so
part.
what
I
aren't
thank
you
you. I
understanding?
thank you. I thank you very much for the information. I am calling to
Okay.
see what's the status of it because it says here
They
the
closed
concern.
it out. There is no status on it. Once you receive a letter, we have closed it out. They provided you with the information. There's no status on it. We closed out that information.
Well, I need to reopen it, ma'am.
Well, we're not going to reopen it. There's nothing we can do.
I'm calling to report some fraud in regard of governmental
I understand
of government
that, sir.
offices.
You were provided with the information. There's nothing more our office can do.
It says over here on your website that the Special Investigations Divisions of the Office of the Attorney General utilizes
I know what
expert
it says on
special
the
agency.
website, sir. Again, we
Yeah.
provided you with the information. It's up to you now on what you want to do. We have closed out your matter.
May I please tell you some important information?
It's not going to do you any good. We don't deal with that. You need to contact an attorney.
You don't deal with the government corruption and fraud?
No, sir.
Is that what you're telling? Because and then that's false advertisement. I am looking here at your website that says, if you suspect government corruption or fraud, call 505-717-3500.
Provided us with the information on fraud. You
I-
provided us with what was there. We didn't deem it necessary to look into it. You need to hire an attorney. You have no proof.
I don't need to hire an attorney, ma'am. By what code do I need to hire an attorney if I'm a special master in common
I'm
law?
going to end this conversation, sir. You need to hire an attorney.
Is that your final
There's
answer?
nothing our office can do.
So you are denying me the right to government to investigate the government corruption, ma'am?
We don't investigate unless you have proof, sir.
I have
and
proof.
If we have looked at your case and you have not been contacted, that you did not provide proof.
I have copy of the documents that I submitted, and there is plenty
I
proof
have
in regard
copy
to
of
the
the
code
documents
violation.
right there. It wasn't deemed necessary to look into it with what you provided.
Okay, it specifically says that they are committing.
I read what you wrote, sir.
What is your
If
name?
you want to refile,
May-
you're more than welcome to refile.
Yeah, may
But
I?
again, there's nothing our office can do. You want to refile. You received a letter on what your options were. That is up to you on what you want to do with those options. We have closed your matter. There is nothing more we can do. Again, if you want to re-enter it, please feel free to do that. But I'm ending this conversation. There's nothing more our office can do.
May I please?
Thank you
May
for
I please have?
contacting us, and you have a great day.
May I please
Bye-bye.
have your name?